right, so this is our first one. We're going to take a look at Desmos. And Desmos is a free tool. It's all browser-based, but it does have apps. So you can download it right onto LJ CreateBoard using the Google Play Store. And it covers a wide range of topics in mathematics, from basic algebra to calculus, geometry, and even a little bit of statistics. It's most known, though, for its powerful graphing capabilities, which allows students and teachers to visualize mathematical concepts in real time. So this interaction allows students to understand concepts like functions, derivatives, integrals, in a much more intuitive way than they would with just a static graph. Teachers can create activities where students manipulate sliders, investigate different cases, or explore the effects of changing parameters on equations. And Desmos begs users to explore and discover how mathematical concepts function, which is a perfect pairing to our Explore part of our Explore, Explain, Define section. So let's take a look at the graphing calculator. That's what we're seeing right now. It's a very simple interface where you can just go ahead and add whatever you want to add right here. So any of your a math problem, a table, you can even add an image. What I love about Desmos, though, is it has the ability, once you sign in, and again, free, to save graphs. So for instance, if I want to open this graph that I had created before, it's my ax plus by equals c. What I love about it is as I move my my cursor along the line, I get my x and y coordinates, but I also have a slider. So I can actually see what the effect of the change in a is on the slope of the line. I've got the same thing going for b, and I have the same thing going for c. So you can see that if you give students an equation without telling them anything else and ask them to start sliding and maneuvering this in Desmos, they're going to start seeing some things that they can start note-taking and writing down. And then you'll be able to give them those definitions at the end after they've kind of already created the definition for the word itself. It does have a very, very big library of already created problems and use cases that you might already need. And as I mentioned, you're able to create your own. So the other thing that Desmos has is a whole site devoted to teachers. So you can actually upgrade if you want to get really, really in the depths with Desmos. But they also have some starter screens and some featured collections that are free that teachers can use to be able to jumpstart their lessons and or kind of give inspiration for their own creations. So I would encourage you definitely not only to check out Desmos, the calculator, if you haven't yet already, but also take a look at the teacher site and see if you can get inspired a little bit. So that's it for Desmos. Let's take a look at the next one.